Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a steak farm in Minecraft. First, gather your basic resources such as wood, stone, and some redstone components. Begin by constructing a 5 by 5 breeding chamber. This space will house your adult cows. Next, set up a water stream along one side to gently push any new calves into a separate collection area. This ensures efficient separation for later processing. Once your breeding chamber is ready, use wheat to encourage your adult cows to produce calves. These baby cows will then be guided by the water stream into a designated drop chute. At the bottom, a carefully placed lava blade will automatically cook the adult cows, yielding cooked steak and leather. Below this, hoppers will collect all drops and feed them into storage chests. To make your farm truly automatic, you'll need a basic redstone circuit. A simple clock mechanism can activate a dispenser, which then briefly extends a lava blade. This ensures only adult cows are cooked, as baby cows are immune to the lava for a short period. This precise timing maximizes your cooked steak output while keeping your breeding stock safe and sound. To maximize your steak and leather yield, consider expanding your breeding chamber to accommodate more cows. More cows mean more calves, leading to a higher output of cooked steak. You can also add additional hoppers and chests to handle the increased item flow, ensuring you never run out of storage. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This will help you keep your inventory organized and your farm running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.